Does a puppy want to be a mermaid? Of course! Let's get ready to doggy paddle. Wait, didn't Mom say something about using her seashell bikini without asking? Oh, looks like someone's getting a timeout. Oh, don't worry. There's plenty of fun things in here. Like this fluffy sock. Would box labels lie to you?
Yeah!
Plop in your phone. And with the right cuts, this sock can be the perfect phone case. Now let's get something for that bottom. Something soft. Aha! Try it on, and we'll give it a good squeeze. Just look at that tail wag. What a happy phone. And look, you can even play dress up.
Yeah!
Wow, a squish frog. I guess he likes to bounce. Maybe not. But maybe if we make a few adjustments, we can turn him into a balloon. One with a whole lot of squish. Think you'll make a good water pillow? Still, I wouldn't push too hard. Uh-oh. Well, that carpet needed a wash. It's okay. I'll go get the duct tape. Someone's happy to get out. Ooh, gadget bugs. Just wait until you see them crawl up the wall. Got any leftovers? Not anymore. Pop it toy? Pop it toy? Ooh, check out this one. It's electric. It's a crab. And it's a pop it toy. Well, it's time to get popping. Don't worry, they pop back up. What's next? Ouch! What was that? Another crab? And he's in a pinching mood. Oh, but just look at him go! We can start our own delivery service. What's next? A cute little bear head. And it's made of clay. Just the thing to try out our clay grinder. Oh, and we've got pasta. And that's not all. With the help of this special presser, we can make some ravioli too. I wonder what we used for filling. Ooh, a shark. Oh no, that school's swimming the wrong way. You like tats? We've got just the thing.
Wow!
Just add to a container of water. Give it a spritz while you're at it. Now let it wrap around your arm. It fits like a glove. Well, sleeve. But don't forget your other arm. Looks underdressed by comparison. Now show off those arms.
Wow!
Noticing a plant theme. A bloom toy. Just add water for a special surprise. It's a little girl. Let's clean her off. You got your little mermaid after all. You should probably keep her hydrated. I think some angry monkeys with typewriters are gonna send us letters. Don't worry, Mr. Banana. Soon, you'll be as good as new. We've got a donor, and your torso would be great in a sundae. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Come on, let's take you home. Time for a nap. Uh-oh, she found the tweezers again. Okay, we need to find her a distraction. This fidget potato should do. Oh, and look, there's plenty of work for your tweezers to do. Okay, if we really want a clean-shaven look, we're gonna need some wax. Stat! But when you're done plucking and pulling, make sure to have a little time for a good squeeze. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, you got a little something. All right, we just need an empty bottle. I said empty. Now we can make our own bubbles. Just cut off the top, add solution, and blow away. And we can customize. Just add a rubber band. Maybe get a fan, in case you need to save your breath. Now we can blow a really big one, worthy of SpongeBob. Make a wish, because we're gonna need some smoke. Wow, it sure is getting cloudy in here. Nothing like a light snack. Would you like fries with that? Something tells me that's not a regular bun. At least it comes with its own stretchy burger patty. Ooh, toppings too. Did you have to pay extra? You making a burger or making a new leaning tower? It's a masterpiece. A stretchy masterpiece. Hey, Mom, we've saved you a burger.
Wow!
Yeah, this is why I usually get the nuggets. Maybe we can find something else to play with. A glove? Well, blow it up. Add a cup and stick a straw on the side toward the bottom. Ooh, I guess you can have fries with that. Next time, just make sure it's empty. Oh, what a pretty kitty. Wanna play? Press a button, and it's the original laser tag. Now it's time to level up. Careful, don't shine it in someone's eyes. Don't worry, just get a paper cup, add some wrap, and draw something. It can be whatever you imagine, or could draw. Now shine a light, and it's your very own projector. Just be careful, you never know what lurks in the dark. Look, a safe! And thank you, Deluxe Dr. Playset. What's inside? Gold? Diamonds? No, even better! A fidget spinner! And look, if you spin it fast enough, it makes a cartoon. Hey, get your own flipbook fidget spinner. Actually, that's not such a bad idea. First, get a circle with a picture, like a mouse. Now let's give him some legs. How about 3? We need to fasten it on, like with this dried pasta. Spin it around, and we've got a fast rat and a fast cat. Wow, they should make a cartoon like this. Oh, wait. Look at the squishy, but they're for more than just squishing. Ooh, I think that stuff's good for your pores. Let's see what else these things are made of. Wow, I guess when it comes to squishies, it takes all kinds. That seems like it should be enough. Let's mix it all together. Wow, it's like our homemade super slime. Ooh, and it's a great makeup remover too.
Ew.
Let's give Mom a turn to have some fun. Just mix up tape and some beads. Give it a good stretch. Let's see if she likes it. The best part, no scissors necessary. Wow, 3 pairs of shoes. Now that's fancy. And they come with their own feet. Some petroleum jelly should clear that up. How'd they get so messy inside shoes anyway? You really should try to stay inside the lines. Oh no! You messed up that shoe! And that faux foot. It's okay. We can always make a new foot. There's no nails, but we can fix that. Instant pedicure. Why not make a pair? Especially if you've got 2 feet. Now it's practice time. Cosmetology school, here we come. Uh-oh, this wall's gonna need a new paint job. Well, this toy can help you create art. And without using up any paper or ink. Look, you can add an image inside too. Ooh, should we give her a mustache? Oh, and maybe some sunglasses. Careful, I think you sprung a leak. Don't worry, stickers solve all of life's problems. Cover this pad with some clear wrap. But seal some beads inside before you close it. Let's see if the frog gets all the green ones. And the fox gets the orange ones. Get it? It's color-coded. Easy to remember. Our animal friends are gonna eat well tonight. Oh, careful. You might give them a tummy ache. Well, at least they ate all gone. What lovely jewels. And I don't think this is costume stuff. Well, if our little magpie wants something shiny, we can make some jewels of her very own. Just add color to silicone and mix it up. Drip the mix onto a pumice stone, drop by drop. Once it dries, you can just peel them off. Come on, keep digging. I think we've got a little architect on our hands. Craft-sational stuff. Catch you next time.